How to create a class using a code. To invite your students to a class using a code, first make sure you have the book you want to assign to your class under the Content tab, My Contents. Then, go to the Classes tab and click on Create Class, or on the plus sign button located at the top bar. Then, click on Create and select the With Code option. Fill in the required fields with your class information, level, group and subject, and click on Generate Code. Access the class and click on Add Content. Select the book from the drop-down menu and then click on OK. Once the class has been created, you can edit and customize it by clicking on the pencil icon. You can also copy the code to send it to your students, or close the lock so that no one else can join your class. As your students enter the code in their profiles, you will receive their requests to join your class. To grant access, just click on OK and they will automatically join your class. You can edit information on the class by clicking on the pencil at any time. Here, you can modify the class information on the left side, add teachers from your school to share the class, or delete students who have been joined by mistake by clicking on the X. Once you are done, click on Save Changes. You can also delete the class if you have created it by mistake. Activate the Remove Class button. Click on the red X on the class you wish to delete, and then click on OK. Lastly, have your students check that they have access to the book assigned to the class. If they get the Missing License Codes message, make sure they activate the digital book by adding their license codes when accessing the book or from the Content tab.